May paandar ang aking boss. Oh. Thank you so much, boss. Ayan, kasi nung Friday wala ako. Tapos kasi nag-renew ako ng driver's license ko. Tapos pagpasok ko ngayong Monday, ayan, sa aking table. Ang ganda, nakakatawa. Hmm? Thank you, boss. Ayan siya, may paandar si boss. You know. Happy birthday, Ate Rochelle. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone! Happy Monday! Yan. Sabi ko na may paandar si boss eh. Ayun no. May regalo si boss. Thank you boss. Ayan, di happy ang Monday. Thank you so much.